Hindi pa thumbs up.
May lucky minute ko. Gusto makabuka ng
Sabi ko, kuha man hipon kay suda kan hipon. Ano mo kinuha ni? Kuya Gab, kuha man tabi.
balik-balik ko.
Sorry. That's it, guys. My food. Kuha na, dama na ito. Kalabain mo. Dama na ito. Ay, ito ko. Tama na yan. One type. Hi, Golden. Thank you for joining.
Mama, na-title na kanta. Golden. Let's go sa silong.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Malgaron. Pet check. Outfit check. Outfit check. Dito sumba. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello guys. Hello. Thank you for joining. I'm too fat to wear that.
Pero binabantayan nila ang mga kaso ng ILIs sa mga regiyon ng Ilocos, Cagayan Valley, Calabarzon at Chihuahua.
Too fat? If I wanted to wear that, me, I'm small. I'm thin.
Mas mababa na rin kanya ng 61% ng mga kaso ng dengue sa bansa simula January.
I need to be fat a little, but not too fat. Need to gain weight.
Mahalaga ang pag-disinfect sa mga eskwelahan tulad ng ginagawa dito sa Barangka Elementary School sa Medina City. Mahalaga rin ang panatilihin ng mga estudyante ang kanilang hygiene tulad ng pag-uubos sa kanilang patay at
5'1".
ng face mask sa loob
Tall.
sa kanilang mga klase
5'1".
para maiwasan ang damo ng mga sakit. Joke Banahan, ABS News. Libre nang makatatanggap ng rural service sa mga kahihirap na pamilya. Naging ganap na batas na ang Republic
Thank you for, yes, 5'1". Why? Small?
Rural Services Act matapos itong paglaki ng tulong sa ilalim ng batas na naging epektibo. Itong ng NBA ng Setyembre ang gasto sa pagpapaligid ng mga pabigang itinuturi na in-crisis situation. Kapilang ang mga indigent at biktima ng kalamidad ay sasagutin sa pag
I'm so tall when you come to your bed. Why? How tall you are? How tall? Oh my God! So oh my God, big man. You're a big man. Yeah. Are you a white or a black? Black American or white American? Are you a white or a black? Black? A black? Are you black? Black American? Mhm.
Kuya ba, hani ba punasan?
Mm.
Ako mama, naglaba ka.
Hindi mo pag ako. Gusto kang pinalight ko sa luwas.
Natibado ako ng chart.
Hmm?
Natibado ako ng chart.
Hmm.
Kaya kailangan wala ako ng kumaduan.
Plus pa.
Hmm. Turok. Ang dagdagan yung aircon. Ah, wala. Pinahilag mo. Pininuan, dinikita ni Rita. Oh, hindi tayo narmamat. Di ba na naka-orto?
Nanta yung kwarto.
Dito ako. Ngayon, dila pinto. Tapos, dila ako. Pigi naman pinto. May yung padito pinto. Ah, bali mama, tuloy ng pinto. Tuloy ang pinto. Pwede makulis.
You don't do FBIC. You don't, I'm not do. Facebook, oh, Facebook. Mahod Ali, welcome back. What you do today? I work today and I'm eating now. I do live. Later I'll do live. I need to do live because you need to monetize my channel. You everyone, you can help me to monetize my channel. She does, but nobody will get it. If it's him, maybe I'm bad. I'm sorry. Hmm? Wait.
Malay niya ito ng kwarta mo kanina. Ang kwarta mo kanina. Ngik. Ama, manalo ko pa iniya. Ah, ang kaloba.
So boring. And there's some weird people out there. What? I know that I wouldn't think she would use her real name. I was just asked. This is what? This is not even her real name. I know that I wouldn't think she would use her name. We don't want people bothering us. I get it. There's some weird people out there. I heard they even message on their people. Too boring. Too boring. You don't have to. OG Bram, Shirley, he is silly. Hi, OG, my God, you here? Raining, yeah, raining here. Hey everyone, in you, Sally. Sally, but some word. If you're happy and you know it, then you clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're
Kuya,
happy and you
kabanda ko
know
na.
it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Thank you, OG Brown, for joining here. Oh my God. Where are you from, OG? Where are you from? Shirley, I love chicken Alfredo. What is that? I don't know. I don't know that. Alfredo? But my food is just a fried fish. I like to eat apples. Oh wow, it's a banana. I love it. But if she give it out, then Minnie would try to call her on the video and probably be naked when she answers, so we just give it out. Really nice dancing. Thank you, OG Brum Brum. Where are you from, OG? Don't give it out. Where are you from, OG? Batang-bata ka pa at kailangan mo na.
Bata ka pa, nag-asawa ka na.
Raptor John. Hi, Shirley.
Ako,
Not Sherlyn, Cheryl.
Shirley.
Not Shirley, it's Cheryl.
Shirley.
Eat some popcorn, then watch Tom and Jerry. What?
Kay Sherlyn. Hi, Sherlyn.
What?
Tom and Jerry.
I hope that solves your curiosity, Colin.
Siguro.
Tom and Jerry. Oh yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Hi, Golden.
Yes,
You're the
Cheryl.
best, Golden. Thank you so much.
Cheryl, nice smile,
Yeah, Cheryl.
mommy.
Yeah, Cheryl. Shirley, nice smile, mommy. Not Shirley, Cheryl. God, OG.
Shirley.
OG.
Cheryl.
Come.
Ang way, baligtad. Ang
Gabs
Gab.
Gabs tag. Ito ka na gabo.
Ipan mo. Maribok ko pa no.
Cheryl, I'm hearing double voices. Gab, my God.
Diba ka?
My son.
Diba?
Gab. Yeah, Gab. My God. Cheryl tired. I'm not tired. Just tired. Hi, team from Raptor Shop. Cheer up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Cheer up. Hi everyone here. Sunny here. Raining here. Not tired, but tired, yeah. I'm not tired, just tired. Surely I just saw Mickey Mouse beating up Barney over some fruit snacks. So, what should I do? What should I do? Not love for me.
Kaya mo magbago? Dahil expertly, mas makinig kaysa iba. Dahil sa
I don't know if she knows Barney. Yeah, I don't know Barney. What Barney? Like it sounds like Barney. It's a cartoon character. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kim Harley, hey, is silly. She knows who Barney is. He in a purple costume. Oh my God. Well, child shoe hair with a big purple dinosaur. she knows who Barney. Barney. Well, child, Gab. Ngada na yung maturog ka na eh. Ano mo na yon? Gabriel. Gab. Ngada na yon. Gab. She doesn't as it's a USC show. Yeah. Okay. Team Harley, I caught Tom's laughing here this morning. What? Huh? I don't care. I don't care. So what? Oh my god. My god. My god. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Bait talaga ni Baby Gab. Thank you, Pagdan mo. Oh my God, Gabriel. Pagdan na. Ay, lalo ko po. PJ, tapos pinandar electric fan ni Jai. Yada na no sa team. Team Harley, do you still... What? What is that? Do you know each other? Or you wrong? Huh? What? Nothing, huh? Hey, OJ, you still get old some. Oh, I think you know each other. Do you know each other? Never. Okay, that's. I thought you knew each other. Team Harley, I just fell in love with two monkeys who eat my rat. Oh my god. Oh my god, OG Brown Brown. You are. I don't like that. Behave. OG. Hey OJ, I control you here. I can make you disappear forever. My god, OG, be nice. Be nice, OG. Not everyone is. Cheryl, please keep your eyes on Team Harley. Him, eat those kids' fruit snacks up. But what? that's it. Oh my god. He figured it out. I don't understand why you say that. I think he fell in love with two monkeys. Two monkeys, maybe he fell in love with two, maybe Filipina, or I don't know. He playing. He playing, I just put him in the corner for 24 hours. He playing. He playing woman maybe. Oh my god. Babaero daw at sinong may sabi, makakating labi, hindi naman totoo.
You want great hair? Very good at chat. Wait, I've got right here. Panties of quick conditioner for vitamin and collagen. Smooths out the chat easily for smoothness. It's not luck, it's panties. We got the both. For good luck for next time. Only Coke has 8 million live skins in every bottle that may reach the 10 this month. So help get good luck. Panalo ka siya. Curry na creamy. May simple spice at hit ng sweetness. Yung golden curry filling. Anak mo sarap ng nasa talong na. Curry good.
Wow, good for you, Tim. Good for you, Tim. Lucky guy. This guy like it, Tim. Golden. Golden. Yeah, my body there. Sino may sabi, makakating labi, di naman totoo. Manamit ko din gab na papel na kulay. Band paper.
Man, relay.
Ang Monday, nagiging matindi. Ang Tuesday, tusok-tusok day. Ang Wednesday, working day. Pabalik-balik na lang.
It's 4 times speed cutoff versus a generic brand. Helps repair nerve damage from the source. So symptoms don't bother you again. Make sure every day you log in. Now more affordable in a solid fat.
I don't know. Maybe next time he will respect me this time. Just time out. Next ban. I don't know. Usually I would ban, but I will give him another chance. Be random. Does she does she for does she to this with Jitem? He's wonder what is going on. Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you for for who? What is do golden? What is do? What is do? Thank you for the thumbs up.
Para sa mga tanim nilang kamote, ay bida rin ang iba't ibang uri ng Japanese melon ay maalipay sa kwento ng pagtatanim ng melon at kamote na air condition sa KBYN Special.
Ako po si Clarice Kong. Ngayon po ay nandito tayo sa aming farm dito po sa San Isidro, Nueva Ecija.
Sinimulan ni na Clarice Ohm at kanyang asawa ang nasa 11 hektaryang farm na ito sa Nueva Ecija. Isa sa kanilang mga tanim dito ay mushroom o kamote kung saan aabot sa 50,000 ang dami ng kanilang fruiting bags. Tatlo nga ang kanilang fruiting room ng mga kamote na fully air conditioned.
Naka-aircon, naka-mister, naka-humidifier. Less manpower po. And even tag-init, hindi na po namin kailangan pa na dagdag ng dilig. Kasi po, malaki epekto ng mga tag-init sa mushroom kasi hindi siya mag-dry. So, kailangan
At kahit 24/7 na nakabukas ang aircon, hindi lugi sa binabayarang kuryente sina Clarice.
So, meron po tayo 150 na solar panels. Nabibigyan po ng kuryente yung sa melon, yung sa pump natin, at ito yung mushroom growers.
Hands-on si Clarice sa kanilang mga tanim para
You wrote
masiguro
golden
ang
do.
kalidad ng kanilang mga ani.
She go with me. What?
Gaya na lang itong Japanese melon na bilang
What?
kanilang farm.
Ito po ay Daigoji. Ito po ay lumalaki ng 2
Oh my
to
God.
3 kilos per piece. Ang loob po nito ay color orange and
Mr.
minute po siya.
Thank you for
Makikita
that.
nyo, para
I don't know
mas
siya.
melon po.
Maganda nga ang kalidad ng ating Japanese melon kung pumasa ito sa sugar level
Okay.
test. Kwento ni Clarice, sububok na rin sila sa ibang tanim na halaman katulad ng gulay at prutas, pero hindi sila naging matagumpay. Tuloy-tuloy naman sila sa pag-aaral sa pagpaparami ng Japanese melon. Ngayon nga ay meron silang 5 uri nito.
Yung premium melons po natin is yung Fujisawa at Sagami. Yun naman po ibang variety is itong Daigoji, Intanon, and Golden Hand.
Walang pinagsisisihan si Clarice na pagpasok nila sa farming dahil naghinda ito para magtuloy-tuloy ang biyaya sa kanyang pamilya.
Simula po muna sa maliit, sa isang greenhouse muna, i-try nyo po muna. And kailangan po, alam nyo yung may market yung pagdadalan.
Dapat naman nagdala ka para sa akin.
Wala ka na yun.
Naman, ang ganda nun, no? Di ba ang tamis?
Tapos masarap
Kita po, oo.
ako kahit ko.
Talaga. Super tamis yung ano. Ikaw naman, ba't di ka nagdala?
Kaya pinagdalat ako.
Ang ganda nung ganyan, high value
What? Wait. What lead me? Wait. What? Let me read this. Golden sent a message on here. I'm trying to find out what it means. What? Wait, what? Let me read this. Doing. Hey, love, live. Are you talking to the guys? Don't stop. What? Do food don't mean anything. Food don't mean anything. Ah, okay, don't mean anything. Golden, answer my questions. What your question? Huh?
Talagang scientific.
Sorry, what?
Yan ang mga
I was supposed to be doing. Okay.
may other
I'm.
spinach with
Tim, what were you then? What were you trying to say then? What you trying to say then?
Para sa iba pang
What you
balitang
trying?
at
Intention sa
Nakakilinggan ang patrol sa DSMM Radio Patrol sa Islanda. Ano mang hamon, ano mang panahon, dapat kaming maglilingkod. Ako po si Berlita.
at napapanood ng live activity patrol at replay at iba pang paborito niyong programa sa iPod.ph. Nandito kami para sa inyo, saan man sa mundo. Ako po si Karen Davila.
At sama-sama pa rin tayo gabi-gabi sa All TV. Ako naman po ang inyong kapansin, Noy Dinaso, sa pangalan po ng ABS-CBN News in the service of the Filipino. Marami pong salamat at magandang gabi, bayan.
Ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Ayan. What is that? What? Oh my god. Hold on. What? She does something I want. Golden, answer my question. Wait. I was supposed to be doing. Then what were you trying to say then? Oh, okay. She does anything you want. Hey Cheryl, good evening. I can't speak Tagalog now. Boss team is here. Is here. Oh my really? Hold on. Oh my god, yes. My phone is paying up. Mars, I always am here. Why Golden? What is happening? I mean Marg. Do she do this with you always? Do she do this with you always smiling when I'm not making her cry? Oh my. Tim, where were you yesterday? Why you were not around? Actually, he always kissing at me. She not he. Um, she must say I love you 100 times. Cheryl, put that shit down. Pay attention.
Hey, Kuya. Teka, where the hell did you think you were going? Huh? Ano? Matutulog ka na? Ha? Kid, I haven't even given you a proper forever welcome yet. Do this for me, Jason. I'm not gonna scratch my watch for you, Jason. Alam mo, ano yung nahanap ko?
Cheers to live network.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Come here, kid. Welcome to the Gerard family, kid.
Miss Cheryl, galit pa po ba kayo sa akin? Ah, hindi na. Nasabi ko na yung gusto kong sabihin. Saka hindi ako marunong magtanim ng galit. Pangit yun. Hindi ko galit. Real talk ako. Kung ano yung hindi maganda sinasabi ko and passes pass. Nasabi ko na yung gusto kong sabihin. Yeah, okay lang yan. Normal yan. And Cheryl knows yan. So at least you know me na. Cheryl English. That means get it out of your hands. Okay. You better listen to Tim. God. Salamat po. You're always welcome, Cheryl. At kahit saan ka mapunta, kahit sino pa yung makasala mo, you need to be respectful. Respeto. Kahit ano pa yung pagmumukha mo, kahit mukhang pulubi na tayo, kahit sinasabi nila tayo na alam mo yung babang klaseng tao. Basta marunong tayo rumispeto. What is the best? And for me kasi, hindi ko kailangan ng mayaman, ng edukado, kung hindi ka naman respeto, hindi ka marunong pumantay. Pare-parehas lang mabaho yung tayo natin. Pare-parehas tayong anak ng Diyos. Nagkataon lang na nilagay ka dyan sa posisyon na yan. Sana, be grateful na gamitin yun sa tama. Hindi yung magda-drag down ka pababa. Napshi's over. Is he? Do she don't know how to relax. No, she don't know how to relax. She's an overthinker. Yes, I'm overthinker. I think my instinct is right. She don't look like she overthinks. I'm an overthinker. I overthink a lot. Even in her dreams, I'm in trouble. You know what? You know what, Golden? Oh my God! Even if I'm in my I dream, why he chatted on me? Oh my God! On my dreams. What the fuck? Oh my God! I feel a headache. Am I right or wrong, Cheryl? You're right. That's why I ask you. Oh my God, I have a bad dream. You with someone. Why you with someone? You cheated on me on my dreams. What the? Even on my dreams. Hello.
Nangako ako kay Timali ba na walang mangyayari sa akin. Yan ito! Iba! Hoy! Ano mo si Martes? Si Martes? Ako patindi. Puso ko patikitan ko. At nabuntis na si Erika. Bakit ko siya titira para sa anak mo niya ina? Welcome to my home, kid. I'm gonna make your life living hell. Taking this road, Jason. Good move, boy. Siya mo na kayo na sa akin.
We have broken up 20 times, and by bedtime we are back together. Oh wow, really? Sure, put that part down. We always fight. We always fight. We're always mad. We're fighting a lot. You love there. Yeah, you love respect there. Trust. Yes. She start to fight. Yeah. It started with it started with a question. And if I'm not convinced the question, we started to fight. Yes, of course it started questions. If I'm not convinced, if it's not after 20, after 20, you know there are love there.
Wala akong kasalanan! Becomes the victim of lies. Nagugunahin na siya sa sarili niyang buhay. Pinagsisisihan niya pa niya.
True love exists.
Sa akin. Basta tapos sa mga dati niyang buhay. Nagbibitaw ko yung kapatid ko na gumawa ng krimen sa labas. Habang nasa loob ng bagong bahay kung saan niya siya pinakulong.
Stop acting like ako ang kasalanan. That means
And
tayo
if you want it, you take it. My God, I was and if you break it, hit it. Da 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 da. Destiny, why find we the stars? Nag-iba ng lyrics, no? Yeah, we broke up the other day in her life, but now look at us. Team be good to her, and Cheryl be good to Tim. Yeah, I'm always good. I am. Yes, I am, Golden. But today is not over. You did. You lied. Yeah, I'm not always good. Oh my God, you guy. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not good. I have a bad attitude, so I'm not. Yeah. I'm not so kind. I'm not so kind. I'm not like I'm not like that. That's why that's why I always say to them, if you find someone better than me, then go ahead because I know myself I'm not good. Good morning, how are you? Hi Richard Ekerberg. Hello. Very very jealous girl. Yes I am. Because I feel how I feel from the past. Maybe listen and learn. I feel how to be cheated. Yeah, that's I don't know why. You are beautiful. Ah, Richard. Thank you. Where are you from, Richard? Richard, why do you need to be jealous?
Wala ka nang iisipin.
Because for me, if I if I feel that something different, like we always we always talk about this time. I always something like that, and then if something changes, and I'm asking why, and the answer is why you feel mad? I'm just asking. I felt something different like that, and it started to overthink. I overthink a lot, something like I am from California. Welcome. Nice to meet you here, Richard from California. You beautiful. You don't need to be jealous. Just trust him. Yeah, I trust. I trust. First, I trust him, and I hope he don't change like with first. But I feel something changes. Something changed just for him. That's why I always ask myself, people change something. Some same for you. She only has a few problems in ego also, so we just have to work on things. Yep.
Anong sikreto ng batang pag-ibig? Wow, strong air. Sarap pang kumain. Ang sikreto, Nutrilin. Alam mo, BJ yan. Basta Nutrilin, tama. Mahalagang para sa pag-ibig ng inyong wala nila magiging pagkakonsan o inasakit. Sweet dreams from day one. Achieve! With EQ Drive. Belly button cap and bubble top sheet. Dahil ang kumpletong tulog, tulong para lumaki smart and healthy. Sweet dreams from day one with EQ Drive. Paglaban ng bata to, may laban tumakbo. Kasi may wastong tumak. May laban tumalon. Kasi may wastong tangkad. Kaya di pwedeng basta gatas. Pag-water get preschool 3 months. Proven and tested, tulong magbigay ng wastong tipang tangkad. Laban ready sa paglaking. Your face gets creams, serums, masks, and rituals. Your underarms deserve
Cheryl said, put down, oh my god. Sorry. Otherwise, she's not allowed to leave the house. Sure, I said put it down, oh my god. You can't make it perfect. Just know what the problem is and work on it. But don't make it perfect. Yeah, maybe it's helping her team. Maybe she gets nervous. Hi again from Raptor Sean. Hi Raptor Sean. Kailangan malaman natin something. Neither one of us perfect. We know we have to work on things, and we will. If we both want this enough. Did anyone see on YouTube live with 420 people watching live? Yup, I see people. I feel jealous. Raptor Shang. Too many on the live. If I if I have people there on the live, oh my god, one day I monetize my channel. How I wish. True thinking. No, just a jealous overthinker. Maybe. After that, you guys break up 20 times. You guys don't want this. Alas. I was shocked seeing 406,000 live viewers. It's a math music channel. Yeah, it's a music channel. I I saw it. I felt so jealous. People joining there. We get too much a lot. She's not nervous, girl. I need to do something. People join me here. Maybe I need to I need to aerobics. What should I do to get monetized my channel? Oh my god. Mahmoud Ali. Hello. Who broke up? Golden. We broke up. Just the past day. If I don't respond her faster, she start thinking I'm talking to others. No one wrote. Lol.
Pero Jay, mo, huwag na tayong magsisihan. Focus tayo sa pagpapagaling kay Mama. Kasi ako, ayoko siyang mawala.
Mahmoud Ali. Type in English. Just Google Translator. Yes, she's right. Thank you, Raptor Sean. Thank you. My God.
Care for the things we last long. What's with this? Bye, you fake down.
I see. Write it again. You need to try to speak English. We don't understand Arabic. Mahmoud Ali. Maybe try until you success. But otherwise, we are it. I just need to go there and give her what she wants. Is the Oh my god. Some days ago, I went to an Arabic streamer. I was in the same position as Mahmoud Ali. No wonder typing. Yeah. I feel you. I feel you in Are you an stranger there? Like alien people. Like oh my god. What are you talking about? Ah! Am I right or wrong? You want a baby with me? Of course you're right. Oh my god, you don't need to say it. Duh, you don't need to see it here. But you don't want to marry me now. Duh. You do. I want to make them jealous. He don't feel that. Oh my god, what's going on? If not, I do. Colin, that's you talking about marriage.
magsisimula yan, pare. Kung hindi sana kayo nagkawatak-watak. Alam mo kung anong pulot-pulo ng pagkakasira ng pamilya ko. Si
Ah.
Tanggol wala nang iba.
If I'm crazy, if I'm crazy, to patch you up.
Magkaayos kayo ng pamilya niya.
No chance ever, Golden. Sorry. Ah,
Aminin mo nga sa akin. Ayos lang ba sa'yo na nakakulong si Marites? Sa ginawa niyang pagtalikod sa pamilya mo.
you better not.
Oo.
You better watch out. You better not cry. And I'm telling you why Santa Claus is coming to town. I've already seen it all, and I like. Haha. I'm like a shark, just waiting. Just waiting. Oh wait, did I hear it correctly? The answer from Sheryl for Tim's questions? What? She won't date a black man, sorry, just saying. Huh? Hello, beautiful. Your beautiful smile is melting my heart. Hi, Jaime. Where are you from, Jaime? I remember you joined me here before. Maybe in the last week or past days. Wait a minute. Kapeng mainit. Wait a minute. Kapeng mainit. Uh-huh. That's the only reason, no chance. Yeah, I told you. Oh, okay. Can I enter the competition?
Sa tingin mo, babangon sa umus. Maayos ba naman si Pasyon?
Where are you from, Raptor, Sean? Where are you from? Oh my God.
Ay, asawa mo si Marites.
She not into, she not into that.
Alam mo kung ano mo papasaya sa akin, man.
You miss it, Raptor.
Patay ko siya.
Lol, I am from India. Ah, you're from India.
Kung wala pa, bakit?
No.
Magkanapit ang ulit siya.
Lol, team, I am late. You could
Hindi ko na kaya ako.
have late to that first.
Dahil ang tulong ang pagkawala niyo mo.
Puerto Rico and you. I'm from Philippines, Jaime.
Papasaya sa akin. Pare, kung hinihiling mo-
Thank you for joining here, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Hindi ka tunay na magiging masaya.
So who is still winning, Kim or Golden? Well, I didn't say because I think it's cool. Oh my. Is that I know what we're about? What? 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 What we're about? Hi, Jerry TV official. Jerry, it's Jerry. It's another channel. I won 5 months ago. Hello, it's me, Poteri. Dali. Hi, Poteri. Where are you from? I will be the referee. You never know. It could change. Oh my God. Hello, shout out watching from Cavite. From Cavite? Hi, Jerry TV official from Cavite. Sorry, parents wouldn't let it happen. There are no competition team. I'm just having fun with them. Thank you, Golden. Thank you so much. Different Cherry. Meme channel ko to. Meme channel mo. Different Jerry. I thought Jerry TV official. I thought Jerry the another Jerry. The Jerry from USA. But you're not. You're a Filipino pala. Sorry. Wrong identity pala. We know Golden, you're playing. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for joining here. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, Raptor Sean. From Mindanao. Ah, okay. Salamat sa pag-join. Whoever winning the competition, don't forget Cheryl will start to cry when there is earthquake. Yeah, I cried. Oh my god, I cried. But Golden said, "What's happening to you? Are you? Do you see snake? Oh my god, it's earthquake, not a snake." Dito lang ako nag-work sa Cavite. Ah, okay. Taga saan ka po? Bicol. Bicolana. Lol, I still remember the moment. Yeah. Oh my god. Yes, unforgettable moment. Yes, we didn't know because it didn't make the whole move. Me, but I move. Look at me. Because I move. Oh my god. Then you already visited Philippines. I don't know if he visited here before or not yet. Sharing Liz. Jerry, are you visited here before here in the Philippines? No, and no. Soon, thank you. No, never. Thank you for the thumbs up. Get 3 day, your visa time. You won the competition.
Maraming hindi pwede. Pero ang by Jessie, pwede. Kahit sa walang laman ng tiyan. At seniors, pwede pala. Choose Ingat, choose by Jessie. Love that. Sige, mag-go tayo.
Okay. Bye guys. I need to work. See you tomorrow next live. I see you later. I do live again. I need to finish this work. Bye bye. Love you guys. Thank you for joining, but I am referee. Feeling bad for me. Thank you guys. Thank you Raptor. Thank you Golden so much. Thank you Jerry TV official. Thank you so much. Bye Chelsea. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you my team.